Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Mendeley Reference Manager. Okay, so at this point I'm assuming that you already have Mendeley downloaded and installed in your machine. So all we have to do is open up our Mendeley software. Oh, so basically, this is the user interface that you get when you open up. Add new references. So right now, what I want to do is I want to add reference to maybe a research work that I'm working on. So first, you look for your paper or article that you want to add. So let me see. Maybe I'll search for something like um shell intelligence. Okay. So let's say I pick up the first article here. Okay. So basically, this is an article that I have opened. If you want to add a reference to a particular article in your work, first you need to make sure that you add that particular article to your Mendeley references. One way to do that is to use the Mendeley web plugin, which I have installed in my web browser. So in order to do that, you open up the article, then you click on the extension. Depending on your internet speed, this could take a while before the interface loads. The title of the article will appear: Causality and Explainability of Artificial Intelligence in Medicine. You can add it, and you see that here we have MCF Assignment 1. These are collections that I've created in my Mendeley. So if you check here, you see that we have different collections. And after I click on adding it, if I go to MCF assignment 1, you see that the article has been added, right? That's good. So if I am writing my research paper or article that I want to publish, I want to add a reference to this particular article. Let's say that I just wrote that this is a sentence I want to add a reference to it. Now, I also happen to have the Mendeley MS Word plugin installed. So I'll go to reference, and then we have Mendeley site. Click here. What this does is it pulls all your Mendeley reference data into Microsoft Word. You can easily insert your citations. So we have you select the article that you want to cite. So you can either select it and then click on insert, or you can directly click here. Just make sure that your cursor is at where you want the citation to be. You click on cite, it will cite it, just so that you have your reference. Now the citing style can be changed through the citation settings here, where you can change the settings to either APA or American Sociology Association. We have different reference or citation style, so you change it according to your preference. And once you are done with this, you can easily get your bibliography by moving your cursor to where you want to insert the bibliography. Click on the three dots here, then you insert your bibliography. For that, click on continue, and the bibliography will be inserted with the reference to the article and everything. That is pretty much it. If you want to install the plugins that I've mentioned, you open up your Mendeley Reference Manager, go to Tools, install the web plugin, and install the what? So what plugin too, and that's it. You'll be able to use this as easy as this here. Okay.